So today, Dr. Goodnight is going to do a medium depth peel with TCA we're going to use. And so we're going to try to minimize and take care of this problem.
Alright, so first I just clean the face with acetone. So just a light wipe on the whole face. So now with a brush, applying the Jessners solution on basically one coat on the whole face, this itself actually produces a very mild peel. Sort of a powder-like. But what it really does is get the face ready for the other peel to get in deeper without having to use quite as strong of a concentration. So it makes it safer. Right after the light Jessners peel, you usually don't see much, little crystallizing from the Jessners, and the skin is just really prepared to allow the other TCA to actually penetrate. So the next one is some TCA that's on some gauze. And we wring it out so it's not very much on there, but it is 35% TCA. And we'll apply it, a little test area over here. So you'll notice it'll sort of one pass on each thing. And then we'll stop. Alright, so it starts turning wherever the brown area is a little darker right at first, then it starts getting a little red, and then the skin actually starts to turn white in the area. So at this point the TCA peel has gone a medium depth where it's white but there's pink showing through.
Okay, now we're just waiting. Dr. Goodnight put a higher concentration of the TCA product on my spots that I had a problem with. And now we're going to go on to a lighter concentration all over the face. And the pain is, it's minimal. It's a little stingy, but if you have some wind on it, or fan your face, it feels better, but it's not bad at all.
Alright, so she had the 20% TCA. It had to be put on with a couple layers because it's so much weaker, actually 3 times. But you notice the initial area that I already did, the whiteness is faded because it's already been 25 minutes since I put it on there, so it's starting to fade there. And you're seeing the new whiteness around where I had done it already.
Well, we're done, and he put the peel all over Dr. Goodnight, higher concentrations on the outside where my marks were, and normal concentration everywhere else. And it's a little stingy, but if you have a little fan on you, it's fine.
So she's all done. We put the moisturizer on, and she'll just put this moisturizer on as much times a day as she needs, because the skin does get very dry, and the skin just seems to stop making its own moisture. It'll be like if you ever had a sunburn and the skin feels so dry for the week, and it'll especially turn brown and dark tonight. And some people actually say, hey, my spots that I had you removed, they look darker tonight. So if that happens, they almost look darker now. Don't worry, that's just kind of what happens. It gets darker and then it peels off.
Well, it's the very next day after the TCA peel treatment, and it's been exactly 16 hours since I was here yesterday. And as you can see, my face turned brown, and red, but brown on the parts that were treated that were my main concern. And there's no discomfort whatsoever. You just keep it moisturized, and everything is really, really great. Well, it's been almost 4 days now since I had the TCA peel done on the sides of my face for the sunspots, as well as a light TCA that went all over the face. And you can see my forehead is a little, red. It's tightening. It's I'm peeling around the mouth because that's where you talk, and so there's a lot of movement around the mouth area. So soon, I guess around several days from now, I'm going to have all this peel off and have new skin. So I'm very excited. Well, it's been a week now since I had the TCA peel, and as you can see, I've peeled on actually day 5 and day 6 the most, and I'm sure to see a lot more peeling going on today and probably tomorrow. Where I see the dead skin, instead of it coming off in my when I'm sleeping, I don't want it to peel off, so I just go as close as I can, and I take a nice sharp scissor and I cut off the dead pieces so it won't catch on anything. But I really like it a lot. It's holding a lot on my forehead right now, but that's good. The longer it stays on, the less redness that'll take place. My body will heal. So I'm just looking forward to probably the next couple days. It'll probably be all peeling off. And I notice already that the spots are gone, so I'm very excited. Well, it's been 2 years now.
Chemical facial peels are a great way to even uneven pigmentation on the face. Right after the peel, you see the white skin with the red showing through. That fades significantly in 15 minutes and completely gone, all the white skin, in 1 hour. Then you just put the moisturizer on frequently. The next day, nevertheless, the brown spot will turn browner and dry up and start to crinkle up and slowly peel off. Here you're seeing 10 days after. Many people peel within 7 days, and the result is lasting. Here you're seeing her a year later.